Okay, class, please stand up. Who can lead the prayer? Okay, Mr. Mangindala, can you lead the prayer? Amen. Once again, class, good morning. And before we start our topic for today, let us check the attendance first. Who is absent for today? Okay, very good. No one's absent for today. In my reminders class, don't talk in your classmates while I'm discussing. Okay? Is that clear? And now, let me read it to you the objective. At the end of the lesson, grade 5 pupils should be able to A. Read and write decimals through 10,000s. Okay, class? Our topic is it's all about read and writing decimals. And as you can see, class, I have here a short video presentation. And you're going to listen and copy it.
Welcome to Moo Math and Science. In this video, let's learn the basics of decimals and how to read them. Decimals are used to measure small amounts. Your hair, for example, is only 0 400ths of a millimeter wide. These ants are only 0 75 hundredths of a centimeter in length. Let's review a couple items that will help you when reading or writing a decimal. Decimals are to the right of the decimal point. Instead of increasing by 10 times like the numbers to the left of the decimal point do, numbers to the right of the decimal point are 10 times smaller. Notice that there are no ones. You start at the tenths, then hundredths, thousandths, and so on. Notice the THS at the end of each decimal place name. A decimal number has 3 parts: a whole number, a decimal number, and a fractional part. To read a decimal, start from the left. Read the part before the decimal point. At the decimal point, say "and," then read the number after the decimal point, and to finish, say the name of the place of the final digit. Remember to add the THS. Let's look at some examples. We have this number. Remember, you start from the left. 2 and 54 hundredths. Remember the THS at the end. This next number, or decimal, 0 and 5 tenths. How about this one? 0 and 363 10,000ths. And finally, 72 and 4 tenths. If you'd like to know more about reading or decimals in general, this playlist will help. And as always, thanks for watching, and Moo Math uploads a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.
And for our review, Mr. Markay, can you recall what was the last topic yesterday? Okay, very good. And for our activity, I will going to divide you into 5 groups. And each groups, you are going to copy and answer these decimal words into decimal forms. Okay, class? Okay, you may only 5 minutes to do your activity. Is that clear, class? Okay. And now, may I ask you, Miss Ignes, how did you get your activity? Okay, very good. And Miss Mahala, how did you find it? Okay, very good. And now, class, let us proceed. Can you please get your notebook and copy and answer this problem? And I will check that later. Okay, class? And now, let us proceed. can you please get your 1/2 sheet of paper and copy and answer this word problem? Okay, class? All of you is done? Okay. Finish or not finish, can you pass your paper? And now class, as for your assignment, please get your one whole sheet of papers and copy and answer this. Okay class? All of you is done? And can you stand up? And okay class?